How to update Google Play services. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your settings of your device. Move into Apps. Tap on See All Apps. In this page, search for the application Google Play Services. And then head over to it. Move into Storage and Cache. Right here, clear the cache and the storage of this application. So click on Clear All Data. And then click on Delete. Once it has been done, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Google Play Service Update. Click on the very first application. Now in this page, if you see the option of update, then you need to click on it and your application will be up to date. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to update Google Play services. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.